Jesus! Oh, but the balls! Oh. 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 Hey, my name is Birk, and today on the Minimalist Plan we're gonna meet up with Jared Fox, the Australian Iceman.
Cold bath a day will keep the doctor away.
We're gonna drive into the fjords here in Norway in the van. We're going for a 1,000-meter snowboard hike up the mountain, and on the top we're gonna make a hole in the ice and do a nice ice water dip. So stay tuned. So we got the stuff that we need, and the fridge is almost filled up, so we're gonna have enough food for this weekend at least. So we're driving from Stavanger to Sauda. It's a 3-hour drive, and according to Jared, it's the mecca for snowboarding. So I'm stoked, so let's roll. Woo. Quick, Lacey. Here you go. You ready to drive? Got your seatbelt on? So we're at the ferry terminal, and we're gonna go for a 20 to 30 minutes boat trip. So it's nice to just relax a little bit and let Lacey stretch her legs. There's some water and stuff, and it's nice to get a break from driving. Yeah, let's get the hammock up and just relax a little bit. This, by the way, is the charging booth. So we have batteries for the camera, batteries for the GoPro, batteries for the drone, and you have USB and 230 volt charging in here.
A pressure system sitting up the coast that it's arriving at 4 p.m.
today,
and then it's gonna dump down. I think 30 millimeters between powder to your balls. It's going to be sun again tomorrow.
Sweet. Passing a little bit of a treacherous road here. Sometimes it can fall rocks down because when there's a lot of rainfall, the parents of the kids on the other end here won't send their children to school because they're scared of losing them, because there's a genuine chance of getting a rock in the head when you're driving past it. You see here? So they put up all these nets so the rocks aren't supposed to fall down. But you can see here a lot of rocks have fallen down. But the crazy thing is, when we had a rental company called Cabin Campers, there was some German people renting one of the vans, and they actually almost got hit by what do you call it, like rocks just falling down the mountain, and they just got out of the van and ran away, and luckily the falling rocks just passed the vehicle in front, so it didn't hit the van, but it looked really scary. Past treacherous bit without getting a rock in the head, so that has to be a win. So the cool thing about Norway, you can pretty much fill water anywhere. So I found this stream right here, and we're just gonna fill up the bottle. See the snow, Lacey? Whoop, whoop. We're here. Sweet. That's Jared's van, and that's Jared's little tiny trailer park thingy. Right, Lacey, be free. Jared.
Hey, Bess. Good to see you.
How is everything?
It's good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Looking good. What are we doing today?
Thinking maybe hopping out here for an evening dip.
Out the fjord?
Yeah, in the fjord. Tropical at the moment. I think it's about 2 degrees in there.
2 degrees?
Mm-hmm.
Oh! You think about my old school girl?
Yeah.
You like them?
They're fucking, they're next level.
They hang on my mom's wall, and I was like, can I use them? Because I don't have any fancy split board like you have. So
We're bonding.
right here.
We can prep it here in my wee camp. A new protocol.
All right.
On
You've been pimping up the wee camp, haven't you?
It has been pimped, fully pimped.
Oh, neon lights and stuff. Wow. Boots up here.
Yeah.
Everything up in the ceiling.
Yep.
Organized.
Yeah.
This is what I like organized stuff. And you also painted the wall.
Yeah, it's got a new paint job.
And this is the prepping area.
Yep.
All right, so dip in the fjord, 2 degrees in the fjord.
I think it's 2 at the moment, and then after we can go and take a warm shower.
Cold shower?
A warm shower.
Okay, let's get out there.
The beach today. It's
We usually go on the.
usually going down the ladder, but I think this is a new method.
It's better.
It's a new method of the madness.
Sweet.
We're gonna set the timer for 5 minutes.
Woo! Go full in.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. All right, ready?
I'm ready.
Jesus. Oh, but the balls.
The whole point of this exercise I do every day is to essentially to reduce the ego.
Really?
So every time I sit here, it's like 2 degrees now, and it's uncomfortable. But if I sit here quiet enough and go beyond my thoughts, then it allows me to stay here. And that in itself is essentially a small death of my ego. A cold bath a day will keep the doctor away. I started this in November, and I've done it pretty much every day, and we're now into March, and I haven't been sick one time. And
Really?
Usually I get sick in the winter.
Oh, God damn. Oh, I think that's the longest I've ever been in.
See my timer?
No,
Okay, I need more.
I can't feel my toes anymore. Oh, how do you feel?
Invigorated.
It's so good that there's a stabilizer, so you can't see how much I'm shaking right now. Oh, that's good. I feel a little bit better after doing the shower, but I'm still shaking. I gotta do this more to get better, I guess.
Not thick enough. Cold enough.
Yeah.
You hear that? You hear it? The serenity. That's what we're hearing right now. Make it here.
It's just ice. Oh! Let's see. Oh! It's so painful, especially on the feet. Oh. Jared, Iceman, Fox, let's see it. Ah, yes. Not too bad, eh? How does it feel today?
Same as every day. Invigorating.
Didn't know you had a tattoo.
Oh yeah, baby.
What is it?
That's my piranha. I got him when I was 18. Me and a mate down in Tassie in Australia. We got matching. He only comes out if the missus gets a bit randy, or if I pull out on the speedos.
So what's the goal today, Jared?
Back in the vans now. I think to go to a top over the back this way somewhere. Backcountry. We're gonna collect my mate Tango. He's gonna join us today.
So this is Jared's girlfriend, Nina.
Hello.
Where my caravan is, at the camping ground, at the bottom of the fjord, it's like three meters above sea level, and now I've come up to about 400 meters here. I think the top's around 990 meters above sea level. I've got my split board. It's in split mode at the moment. It's a snowboard essentially, and you see the clips on it, and you take it into two. Then it becomes into like skis, and then on the bottom we have skins. Be able to walk up, and then the binding goes like a ski. Get to the top, take the skins off, take the bindings off, click the board back, and then it becomes a board and the bindings go back, and then you can run down on your snowboard. Whoever invented it, good job.
We're packing down all the stuff that we need for this hike. We're gonna give it a go with the chainsaw. If it's not gonna work, we're gonna go for a dip in the river that's next to it. So it's gonna be cold anyways. New member in the crew?
Hey, what's up? I'm Christian.
We call him for the Tango.
Why?
D-Tango?
Well, you can call him DJ Tango. He puts out a good beat.
You're ready already?
It's Falco skis, and
What's that? Is that randonnée?
yes, it's a randonnée skis.
Yeah, okay, cool.
So they are super light, and the boots and fighting and skis, everything. So
Tango,
they're super light.
he's pretty light
Nice.
himself, the big fella. So he goes pretty quick up the hill.
Swing into the right.
Swing into the right. Woo. Good job. So it seems like Tango is leaving us because we're too slow. He's going up on the top kiting, so
we'll see him up there.
yeah, sweet.
It's all below, apart from some small overhangs. It's below 30 degrees. So that's the number one rule, is if it's 30 and below, in theory it shouldn't slide out on you. So we're going in against safe terrain today. The nature's talking to us. There's a little bit of a sunslide there. The sun's warmed it up and it's slid down. And you can also see there's an old one there at the bottom where it's run out. So now we're going to go through with a bit of a space between us, just for a safety procedure. Safety's number one in the mountain.
So we reached the top and the view is insane. We're on the top, so this is 850 meters and we're soon at the lake. And the thing is, we need to check if there is too much wind. If there is too much wind, we can't do the cold plunge because then we're gonna freeze our asses off. But we're gonna try to check for a spot and see if it's possible. And another issue is if the ice is too thick, then the motor saw won't go through. So we just have to check.
Yep, this is the spot. It's looking hot.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's bring out the shovels.
Enough to probably just like go into a little frog pose in there, like a frog, and just sit and ferment for a minute or something.
So we're not gonna use the chainsaw,
really.
you think?
It's pretty soft ice. And it's been quite mild of late. Geez, slush fest. A special event occurs. They're my flamingos. Usually I just do the normal Adidas's, but these ones here,
It looks sexy.
they're next level.
Yeah, sweet. Looks, what do you usually say?
Invigorating. Not that deep, the hole, but that's what we got today.
Woo. We tried. I'm gonna go for a dip in the river.
The reason why I've been here for almost 14 years. Special vibe in the out of the nature. You can see it.
Yeah. So we're ready for the descent. We're going straight down to the pub.
You know, she's the powder hound, so she'll sniff it. She's going to sniff it. Really? Oh yeah, we'll find it. She sniffs hard.
All right, Nina, it's up to you.
I don't think so.
And then 2 minutes time, I will be ready to rumble. 3, 2, 1, drop and beverage!
Woo! Okay, so after the big hike, Jared and Nina went to have a snooze in the van. So I'm going for a dip here in the stream. A little bit of a solo mission. Oi. Looks cold enough. And today I'm wearing my wetsuit shoes. I'm gonna try to go through this ice. Oh, it doesn't get warmer, you know. What Jared always says, I can't remember what Jared says, but this was really nice. I think me and Lacey are ready to roll home to Stavanger now. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe if you want to see more van life and adventure here in Norway. Whoa! And I'll see you in the next one.